In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy CapCut Pro on PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to the CapCut official website. Once you're on the website, you'll see the option to download for free. Click on it. The download process will start automatically. Wait for the setup file to download. After downloading, open the CapCut installer by double-clicking on the setup file. Follow the installation instructions and wait for the installation to complete. Once it is complete, open CapCut on your PC. In the CapCut video editor, click on Join the Pro button at the top of the screen. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign up. You can sign up using an email address, Facebook profile, or Google account. Select the premium plan that best suits your needs and click on Purchase to proceed. Choose your preferred payment method, either PayPal or credit card, and complete the payment process. And that's it, you've successfully purchased CapCut Pro for your PC. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.